Welcome to German Alphabet Overview. In this lesson, we will learn the German alphabet. The letters in the German alphabet are the same as in English. However, there are 4 more letters which you will come across in the German language. Ä, Ö, Ü, and S. The German alphabet has 21 letters, 16 consonants, and 5 vowels. For the most part, German is a phonetic language and everything is usually pronounced as written, so the spelling of each word confirms with its sound. Here is the German alphabet. I will just say the letters and you will repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. The German alphabet includes the foreign letters Ä, Ö, Ü, and S. In this section, you will learn how to pronounce them in German. So I will say the letters and you repeat after me. Ä, Ö, Ü, S. Welcome to German letters with diphthongs or special sounds for unique vowels. In this lesson, we'll learn how to pronounce the compound vowels. Often German vowels may appear together to form a diphthong, 2 vowels. In the combination IE, the sounds of the I tends to be longer, and the combination EI, the sound is I. Liebe, Eier. In the combination EU, the sound of the U tends to be shortened. Eule. In the combination AU, the sound of the U tends to be shortened. Auto. In this lesson, we'll learn how to pronounce diphthongs in German. Welcome to German special sounds. In this lesson, we'll learn how to pronounce the compound consonants. Diphthongs are sequences of 3 consonants with a single sound, usually a diphthong. Sh, Schaf. In this lesson, you learned how to pronounce the compound consonants S, C, and H.